Thank you so much for joining us into yet another beautiful and wonderful trading session. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3 years now. I almost say four. And what I do in my live stream, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action, and I give you guys any trading opportunities or anticipations that I am particularly interested to potentially take on a day, depending on what I see in the markets. Okay, depending on the conditions lah. If that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax, and let's get right into today's session. So today mainly will be an update session, but there is one opportunity that I personally am waiting for. Okay, and I also a bit rugi lah. I took out AUD. Okay, I just show you lah. Let's just start with the forex today. Okay, I took out this trade already, guys. Okay, I was focusing on buying opportunities, right? I told you because this is a very good opportunity. So I saw this powerful two red candles move down. I took it out already to trade. Profits, still in profits. I'm still thankful and still grateful for this trade. However, you see, we are very, very close by to the ultimate target for ADCAD. So you see, happy new month to you. Happy new month to you. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Oh yeah, guys, happy new month, guys. New month, new opportunities. Yes, definitely. I wish the best opportunities for every single one of you out there. Uh, that's the thing, you see, even 3.5 years already, right? Sometimes I also can still get not worried, but in the sense of like, maybe, the trade might start to play out differently. We may start to see a move towards the downside. So let's close off. So even myself also, I still get this time to time. So if you guys get this type of feelings, right, don't beat up yourselves or don't feel too down about it. Okay, trust me. If I feel like this, you feel like this. I'm pretty sure there are other traders out there that feel the same as well. Okay, we're all human anyhow, right? We're always trying to be better for ourselves. So still, I managed to capture a very good opportunity. So I'm grateful for it, and I'm grateful that we were able to analyze the trade where how it actually flowed very beautifully all the way towards the ultimate target. Okay. Before I speak with you guys, the potential opportunity is actually related to USD JPY. I will be sharing with you guys first the updates of how the trades almost all play out. I Okay, I actually entered, euro, this one. Okay, let me see. Yeah, this one. Sorry. Okay, I entered this trading opportunity, euro CAD, but then the moment, right, when price starting to show some profit, right, momentum, I already took out already. The reason being is because I entered roughly here, guys. So market was quite some time, how to say, not consolidating lah, kind of lah, consider this is consolidating lah in my sense. And then also most of the trades related to EUR are also kind of like in this phase. You see, like euro USD, right, we anticipated for buying opportunity. It went beautifully up. Oh, sorry, euro USD is here. Sorry, this ends at the, where are you, euro USD, where are you, this one, right? Yeah, this one. Okay, so you see, this one, right, if entry, okay, we came down again, see, we consolidate, come down, went up, come down, now we're starting to move up. So that's why I now written here, right, inside of the euro CAD, now is a great bullish opportunity, but it's not yet to how to say, not yet really ready to enter. It really depends on how this candle will be closing also, and then based on an hourly version, really not yet ready lah, in my personal opinion only lah, huh? Okay, the way how I see the market, I don't feel we are ready yet, but this is the target that I'm anticipating price to actually move towards to. Right now, we are currently in a great bullish opportunity. So I personally will be focusing on buying opportunities for Euro CAD. I might re-enter this trade because I got out of it because I don't like how overall Euro was moving. But now I think we are starting to move towards the upside based on what I see lah. Okay, pertaining to price action. This is just my personal opinion, guys. Feel free to share your personal opinion if you have any. I would love to actually hear them out. This is what, okay, euro AUD. Okay, so this one is we were kind of like bearish momentum lah. But why I didn't really consider this? Okay, this one is old data, guys. I didn't really update this. The reason being is because same thing lah. Price, I when I draw this box right yesterday, I was waiting for price to come inside, and price did, and then I just want to see price momentum move towards the upside. We are seeing that happen, okay. But I don't like this these movements. You can see a price. This one I never touch lah, but it's okay. But you see, price went up, price come down, price move up, price come down, price move up. If a zone is really a proper zone, that means like bears. In this sense, we are focusing on sales, right? So bears are the people that will move price now. If bears footprints are there, we will see stuff like this. See bears footprint, we will see stuff like this. A momentum move. Bears footprint, we will see stuff like this. A move towards the downside. Okay, you see, this is not bears line. This is a zone. Okay, here's one. Okay, this is bear footprints here. Okay, we will see a momentum move towards the downside. It doesn't matter how low. Okay, of course, very low means good lah for us. But the thing is, the momentum, you can see price actually moving. If you guys wondering like, hey, good night, you just pointed that, where is the zone? Okay, this is the zone, guys. Okay, this is the zone here that was created by bears. Okay, this is the move down. Yes, there was no entry opportunity here, but there is another zone here as well. Okay, there is another zone here as well. So bears for print, there is another zone here as well. Okay, and then another zone here as well. So there's so many bears actually showing signs that they want to actually move price lower. So definitely we can find one opportunity within this trend. What I'm trying to show you is about that reaction. So if you see here bears for print, okay, we see move up, we see move down, now we're seeing a move back up. This is not something that I personally like, because we cannot blame the markets, guys. Never the market fault. It's because euro. Remember the word euro. We are kind of like moving in the sort of consolidation phase. So even the same for this as well. We will consolidate. Now only we starting to move towards the upside. Okay. Now only I'm seeing a very good bullish opportunity today only. So that's why I took out the trade. Less in terms of profits, but at least lah. Okay. So Euro USD, same thing. This one is old data. Okay, but the bias is still the same. This one we already spoke about, like I say, consolidating. This one I need to reanalyze again. Our first target has been taken out. So we have a second target here, but I need to reanalyze this trading opportunity. Anyhow, also we don't really have much of a zone that is created yet. So probably tomorrow, right, guys, we'll be able to find a very nice opportunity for Euro pairs lah. Okay, personally, that's the way how I feel only and the way how I think. So I will reanalyze the Euro side of the forex pairings, and then I will update you guys tomorrow. Okay, that's my promise, huh? But nevertheless, our first target has been taken out for Euro USD. AUDJPY. All right. So this one, same things. Just waiting for the zone. Okay, we are currently bullish by this data. Let me check again. Make sure. No, currently right now we are bearish. So this data is also not relevant right now. Okay, hold on, guys. This one is what weekly wise. We are bullish. But in 2 days' time, we'll find out. But we still consider bullish. This one also, yeah, not yet, guys. So actually, this one we are only currently bullish in the H4 time frame. Doesn't mean it's not tradable. It is tradable, but I personally would like to see clearly first for zones. Okay, if there is clearer zone for us to primarily be focusing on selling or buying opportunities. This is just my personal opinion only. Okay, it's not necessarily we have to do that. We do have a zone here. Okay, we do have a zone here. We did have price come inside. There could have been a potential entry opportunity here. But personally, like I said, I would still like to wait a little bit more for further confirmation. So probably tomorrow, we will be able to understand further about AUDJPY. Okay, for potential selling opportunity. Yeah. So this one also, I will get back to you guys for AUDJPY. Okay, NZDJPY, guys, our ultimate target has been taken out. There was no entry opportunities for this one, unfortunately. This was the first zone, okay. This was the second one. Price came almost nearby, but price created another zone here. Price came inside the zone, but there wasn't an entry opportunity based on my criteria. Okay, overall, I'm still grateful. I'm still happy for this trade and how we actually analyzed it, because the market really moved according to how we predicted it to go to. Like that's the start of trading, guys. Being able to predict moves like this is equally as happy as gaining profits from it. Trust me, lah. Huh? Because when you really love the craft, you love trading, earning profits is not only part of your goal. Okay, earning profits is definitely the reason why we do trading, but it's not the only thing that I look forward to. I also look forward to my own self improvement. I also look forward to my back testing. I look forward to predictions like this and how the market actually flow, because it shows all of those hard works, all that we put into right trading. We are finally able to see our fruit ripen and watch how the market actually moves. So that is what truly is beautiful, other than just earning profits. In my personal opinion only, okay, everything is in my personal opinion only. This is a trade that is very beautiful for EUR. So euro usually most of it is kind of consolidating as of now, but right now currently we are very nice bullish momentum now for some of the euro pairs, because it always depends who are we versus. Since it's versus JPY, JPY currently is strong, I believe. That is why euro is currently dropping here. But our this target has been taken out. Okay, we taken out yesterday at 11 p.m. guys. So 11 p.m. our target has been taken out already by Euro JPY. You guys can watch yesterday live stream. Everything is recorded live. And right now we are currently inside of a zone. This is the only Euro trade that would be nice if there was an entry opportunity. As you can see, you guys know how I trade. Okay, we come in London. London didn't come inside the zone. We continue to push down. We created another zone the next day. Okay, London here, highest here. We never come inside the zone. Cannot do anything. This one, yeah, there's another zone here. Okay, I will draw it for you. Okay, but you can see lah, London actually came down here. This is another zone. But anyhow, so I would not have entered this. The reason why I wouldn't enter this, because our TP target has already been taken out. This zone was not our TP target. Okay, same thing. There was no entry opportunity. Nevertheless, our predictions for a bearish momentum move was accurate, guys. So congratulations to all of us for being able to predict this move. Huh? AUD USD. Okay, so this one I shared with you guys yesterday. I predicted it to move towards upside. We did reach TP1, but yesterday is we reached TP1 at 11 p.m. So this one can be taken out. This one is not relevant right now, but I'm gonna leave it first because I want to do some back testing later on. Okay, so we do have a secondary target zone here for AUD JPY, and then I saw AUD JPY, AUD pair suddenly start to move strongly towards the upside. We even saw it here. Okay, suddenly we start to see in 15 minutes. You can see, see this move. It never closed. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm moving my pairs. It never closed, but you can see a very powerful move towards the upside. It was bullish. This is how big the candle was. I saw this candle after I closed the chart. I saw very close to the ultimate target as well. And then we close finally here, but we're still seeing a bullish momentum move towards the upside line. Because overall, we are still very bullish for AUD Okay, which one is now we were doing AUDUSD, right? So that is why we see this powerful move towards the upside. I do believe we still may be seeing momentum moves towards the upside. I'm not so sure if this target will be taken out today or not. I'm not sure, but at least lah within quarter to half of this level we might reach by today. If bulls are still interested to continuously push price higher and higher and higher, that is my bias for AUD USD. Later we'll go. We don't worry. We will go to the potential trading opportunity later. Last but not least, guys, USD CAD. So same thing lah. This one, no zone. Okay, we sideways momentum, but we hit our target. Still today also sideways momentum, so I'm not really interested in USD CAD lah. It might change something like Euro side, not USD, Euro side. You see, like today, very good bullish momentum. I saw this bullish momentum since Monday or Tuesday. I highlighted to you guys on live stream, but today only it's really starting to show that interest. Okay, so same thing could happen here. Even though we are kind of consolidating, we might start to see interest shift tomorrow. Since Thursday and Friday, we still have opportunity. Definitely, we can get one trading opportunity, but it depends on how the bigger time frames and smaller time frame aligns and who is currently in control. So that one currently I cannot understand it because we are still in sideways momentum. Let's see if that will change tomorrow or not. Now guys, let's go into the potential trading opportunity. Again, this is the target that I believe price may be heading to. Same thing guys, okay? Nothing different. Every time it's the same thing. Essentially, right now we are currently here on the lowest one. I'm waiting for price to come nearby this zone for potential move towards the downside. Initially today, I thought we were going to be moving towards the upside here. You know, I had a zone here, roughly here. I had a zone here because price, there was something like that price did lie for me to understand my criteria. But based on smaller time frames, we never see any bulls come in and price broke through this level. So that is why I reanalyzed the structure and understood actually, you know what, that bullish momentum was very, very temporary, and we are currently still shifting back to our bearish move down. So I would not be entering this selling opportunity because why? We understood how market moves, right? Currently, we are inside of a premium zone. If this is the pullback, lah, okay. Essentially, before these three candles form, this was the pullback here, okay. A bit hard to see. Just relax this one, huh? So we are still inside the premium zone, but then we never really pull back. You see, we continuously move towards the downside. So I do not want to enter selling opportunities in the premium zone. Okay. Remember, guys, if this opportunity also same thing happened like the rest, whereby we predicted a beautiful move down and we went all the way to target before giving us opportunity, it is okay. We will find more. We find so many already this week. Okay, it was insane. The market is so beautiful. I'm so grateful for this week. The market. Nevertheless, we will definitely be finding more opportunities. And then, like I highlighted already, Euro side for CAD, okay, and USD, they are showing very great bullish opportunities already. But definitely, I will need to wait until tomorrow to see that fruit ripen, okay, for Euro CAD and Euro USD. So we have opportunities. Don't worry, guys. We have more opportunities. Okay. So let's go into crypto. Crypto was insanely beautiful. We predicted for this bullish momentum move towards the upside. I highlighted this to you guys yesterday. Again, everything is captured live. All of my predictions are given before the move happened. Okay, nothing can be prefixed or anything here. So you guys can watch yesterday's live stream to find out lah. So I predicted that we can be focusing on buying opportunities here. And I thought, okay, why we have two lines here, if you guys are wondering, is because I wanted to see how price will react within this level because I thought this is where we can enter for buying opportunities. However, I saw price actually made a move lower and then we start to see show lah price start to show what I would like to personally see. Okay, we have push up, come back inside the zone, and then we had some kind of consolidation phase. But I already entered the market lah within this level, and then straight away suddenly again, guys, I never expect this. Huh? I'm not telling you guys that I know this big candle will be happening. No, I don't even know we will be bullish or not. It's just my predictions based on understanding who is in control. Everything is related to who is in control and what the bigger time frame and smaller time frame bias and how they align will actually give you your market structure understanding. Okay, this is the way how I trade. This is the way how I found success. You guys can watch my multiple live streams. I do the same thing over and over and over again. I don't do anything different, but every day is still so fun for me. For me, lah, because I enjoy trading. Okay, so I can't highlight to you guys anything about BTC because, like I said yesterday, BTC looks like it's moving up, but I don't see any zones for to focus on buying opportunities. That's why I was focusing on ETH and I entered. I shared my results for ETH in my Instagram story. So if you guys would like to watch that, how to say, that results thing, right? Okay, you guys can actually see my Instagram. I have links in the description below, guys. For Dogecoin, Solana, I cannot see any opportunity today. We did make a move and take out the first TP target for Solana, which we highlighted also by this week. Dogecoin, not yet. However, for Dogecoin, I cannot see any particular zones. There is one here, to be honest. Okay, there is one zone here, but it's a little bit okay. I remove this one first. It's a little bit of a stretch there if we want to wait for price. Sorry, wrong object. If we want to wait for price to come back all the way here, because this pullback is in Fibonacci wise, I think it's close to 76.4, is it? I can't even remember the numbers because I don't use Fibonacci anymore. A long time already. But it's not a bad tool. That's why I don't use. It's a very good tool. Okay, just the way how I trade doesn't rely on it. That's why I don't use it. I'm not saying Fibonacci is bad. Fibonacci is very good. I use this lah. So this is kind of in the sense of Fibonacci also, because I just want to understand my premium and discount zone. So for price to come back at least until equilibrium also we can consider, but I would personally prefer price to come back inside of the zone, because if equilibrium also, if I see an entry, the safe pass to put the SL is below the zone. Okay, this is what, okay lah, 1 to or more than 1 to 5, yes, potentially we can still find an opportunity here, but definitely I will still prefer for price to come inside of the zone. Sometimes in trading we may have to make some changes, but make sure that those changes don't really put in more risk, okay, to your actual game plan, because the more risk you put in, the more stressed you become, the more doubts you will have in your mind, especially about trading. Okay, trading is a mind game. It will definitely ruin our mindset, okay, if we take wrong trades. So protect this more than what you see in front of you. The healthier your mind is for trading, everything will be okay. All right. If any of you guys traded demo before, okay, you will know that, hey, when I trade demo, very easy, always get profit. It's because your mind is at peace. Same thing, you can do the same thing in live accounts or in funded accounts. Like for me, I'm doing in funded accounts. You can do the same thing, but if you make sure you play with your game plan that has been tested, back tested countless of times, and you've seen the results based on data, then your mind will be at ease. Your mind is not at ease based on a strategy, most probably because you never backtest enough yet. Okay, you don't really have a very clear SOP for how to actually perform your strategy, and you don't have the data to prove to yourself that it actually works. Winning 1 or 2 times the trade is not data, guys. Okay, you need to backtest months for months of data. Easy, guys. Okay, see, we can just scroll back and then use your analysis. Okay, use your backtesting. If you guys have the premium version for TradingView, you can use this one, the replay option. So you can just go as far as you want and then just backtest, and then based on the end, go and find out the data. TradingView will actually show you that, okay, your win rate, like what is your win rate, and then you go and reanalyze, okay, whatever trades you took losses on, why were they losses, and then you go and backtest in other pairs, and then try to understand. If you just keep doing the same thing, will it work or not? Like I told yesterday also, trading essentially is just compounding, but compounding with the proper risk management and game plan, you will see results. Same thing like driving a bicycle. If you want to ride a bicycle, driving. If you want to ride a bicycle, cannot think that you won't fall. Definitely once or few times you will fall. But if you stop after you fall, you will never learn how to ride a bicycle. So it's the compounding thing. You keep on riding, you fall, so you keep on doing to the point that your body will naturally find balance. You will naturally flow to the point that you don't even have to think, which pedal should I go first? Which leg? How do I go on the bike? You won't think anymore. It's natural. Same thing for trading. Same thing for everything. Okay. I wanted to use a boxing example, but it's okay lah. I used that a few times already. I use bicycle now. Huh? Okay, traders, I will end the live stream here. Nothing much to share. Basically, we are just in a waiting game right now because most of the opportunity that we highlighted, most of them also went to the TP target already lah. I personally took quite a bit of trades. The first one this week on Monday, I lost on Euro USD, but then I re-entered Euro USD for buy, but then I closed off early because of that momentum move, and then I entered ETH. Okay, ETH was profit, and then I entered AUD. This one, ADCD. This one I closed off in profits also. And then now I'm planning to enter Euro also, but not now lah. Like I said, this one is a very good bullish opportunity, but probably tomorrow only I will see that option to enter. And then this one, if it comes back, then there is an opportunity for me to enter. So lah, for Dogecoin, also there is an opportunity. So I will put this as interest also. Definitely higher than ETH for now, because ETH I don't see to enter. ETH we already reach all of this level, and then currently we inside of a zone. Whenever we nearby a zone, I respect price, guys, because probably that zone will start to move price lower a bit or higher a bit. We make most of the money in our pullbacks. So if you're in an uptrend, if the zone is going to push price lower a little bit for a pullback, good. Then you can enter for buying opportunity. But it depends if we have a zone. If we don't have a zone to support a buying opportunity, that pullback means nothing. Based on how I trade. Okay? The way how you guys trade may be different. Maybe a pullback is enough for you to enter. Awesome. If it works for you, awesome. Okay? For me, only if there's a zone and I understand who is in control, I will enter. So if you guys are interested to find out how I do my analysis, how I understand the market is moving in the upward direction or downward direction, okay, how I understand my bias, how I draw all of this stuff, everything, I do have my own personal 6 week course whereby even if you're a total newbie in trading, it does not matter. Within 6 weeks time, you will be able to do the exact same thing I do in my live streams. Okay, all the drawings, all of the predictions, all my bias, you guys will be able to do the same thing. All I ask is for you guys to have passion, because if you don't have passion in trading, you're just coming here to earn money. All the things that I teach won't really be able to digest inside, even though I make it so simple to understand, because the way I teach is kindergarten style. I don't like to teach in a very advanced level style. It doesn't mean I take out the advanced things in it. Definitely no, you have to learn the advanced things if you want to be successful in trading, personally, and yeah, my opinion. So, but you have to have passion. If you don't have passion, even simple things also you guys might find it boring, because some of the training you guys are required to look at the charts. So the charts for some people can be boring, but for those that definitely have passion in trading, you guys won't find seeing the charts boring. You seeing candles won't be boring for you. So that's why I say all I ask is for you guys to have passion, because I have the passion to genuinely share this journey with you and hopefully be able to mold you to become an amazing trader. Why I say hopefully is because the trader that resides within you is definitely amazing. But it depends if you are willing to bring them out or not. Okay, I can be able to give up my hand and help you guys out as much as possible, but it depends if you truly want my help or not. Okay, because I truly would love to help anybody, because I really want to see everybody successful in trading. It doesn't even matter if you guys want to learn from me personally or not. If you guys want to just see my live stream and learn as well, I appreciate every single one of you. Like I truly I do. Even one subscriber I see new one in my page, I get so excited. Oh my god, I'm a YouTuber. That day I'm considered YouTuber already. Okay, so that being said, guys, I hope today's lesson was insightful for you as it was for me. Do consider giving a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So I will catch you guys in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders, and very good night. Goodbye, guys.